How to find and recover deleted Facebook messages. So if you want to find and recover deleted Facebook messages, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Messenger application. Make sure that you have an internet connection. And first, I'd recommend you checking your messages archive because as recovering messages from here is such a simpler process and your deleted messages could likely be in your archive. So you just need to simply go with the bottom right, which has that three horizontal lines, and then you can have archive option. Tap on archive, and here you may have your left groups or just deleted messages. But if you don't find it on your archive, then you just need simply go with the conversation. If the conversation that you're looking to recover was not in your archive and was deleted, then we have another method which you can try, which is you can just go back, tap on your settings under your profile, and here you need to scroll down and you need to go with account center, and from here you need to go with in your information and permissions, go with download your information and go and tap on download your information or transfer information. Select your Facebook account in which you would like to recover and then go with next and go with specific types of information. And after that you can scroll down and you can just select messages and then go with next, and you can choose download to device or transfer to a destination. And after that you can choose the date range, the notification email, the format, the media quality, and then go with create files. And once you create files, then within a few minutes or within a few hours, depending on your information how big the file is, it might take a few hours, and then your information will be ready to download. You can just come back to this page again and you will have the file ready to download right under here. So that's how you can find and recover your deleted Facebook messages. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.